It's only a little bit gloomy today. What is shaking, everyone? Good morning. It is a little bit wet and gloomy today, so unfortunately I don't have the good camera.
Yay!
Ashley's excited because she has to help me lug it around. Puddle. Last night it was very difficult filming with the camera and umbrellas, trying to keep the rain out. So today I might get it later, but it's supposed to rain off and on all morning. So it was just easier, give the camera a little break, give my arm a little rest. But we're starting things off here with Spaceship Earth. I'm gonna try to film what I can. It's fairly dark. I tried it last year. See what I can get. Then we're headed off to breakfast. And it's a place we haven't tried before, and I'm getting dripped on up a storm. You get a fast pass for Spaceship Earth first thing in the morning because every time you've been here this week, it's been a long line. Until we show up, there's no line. We have to waste a fast pass, but it's okay. That means we have one down, only two more before we get the roaming fast pass. It is so crowded, you guys. Just look at how busy EPCOT is today. So I am not sure if all of you are aware or not. That ride, Spaceship Earth, is going to be undergoing a massive refurbishment almost at any time now. They're going to update some scenes, include some of that new technology that Disney has been incorporating into a lot of its classic dark rides. So how do you feel about this? Do you want Spaceship Earth to finally be brought up to speed? Or do you want them to leave it as is? Now, I've only ridden it these last 2 years. I love it. I have a great sentiment for it. But I could understand some new technology being involved somehow. Making the fire scene maybe a little more realistic, or just updating things in that way. Now, if they go as far as completely demolishing half the scenes and redoing them, then I have a problem, and I think most people would. So are you ready for these massive changes that are going to happen at any second now? I mean, it's down, they're saying late December, could be maybe January, but after that, it's down for 6 to 10 months to get ready for the big celebration that is happening for Disney World's 50th anniversary.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and, of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
Well, we offer them food 3 times a week, and trucks in the wild are only once a week. Some trucks even go once.